Find the center of the ellipse by completing the square and state a and b. 4x squared plus 25y squared minus 64x plus 100y plus 256 equals 0. Since I want to rewrite this as an ellipse form, let's go ahead and rewrite this and reorganize it, putting the x's together. So 4x squared minus 64x. I'm going to give myself a little space here. Let's put our y's together. So plus 25y squared plus 100y, and give myself a little space. And let's make this equal to negative 256. The negative 256 comes from subtracting 256 from both sides of the equation. Notice, before I use completing the square, I want to first factor out this leading coefficient. So let's rewrite this one more time as 4 times x squared minus 16x. Give myself that space again. Plus 25 times y squared plus 4y, give myself that little space, equals the negative 256. Now we're ready to do our completing the square part by asking ourselves, what's half of negative 16, which would be negative 8? And then if I square that to both sides, negative 8 squared would be plus 64. Now notice I'm adding a 64. To keep my equation equal, I'm going to need to add something from the right. But it's not just 64, it's actually 4 times 64. So I want to add 256. Since I'm adding 256 here, I'll add 256 to my right side as well. Plus 25 times, let's write this out, y. Half of that positive 4 is plus 2. So if I square this, 2 squared would be plus 4. So I want to add 4 to my space right here. But again, that's not really 4. It's 25 times 4. So to keep my equation balanced, if I add 100 to my left side, I'm going to need to add 100 to my right side as well. So I get 4 times the quantity x minus 8 squared plus 25 times the quantity y plus 2 squared is going to equal 100. Now I can divide both sides by 100. So on my left, I'll have x minus 8 quantity squared over 4 over 100 would be 25, plus y plus 2 quantity squared over 25 over 100 would be 4 equals 1. Now we have it in our kind of standard ellipse form, that of x minus h quantity squared over a squared plus y minus k squared over b squared equals 1. So now it's just a matter of identifying our different variables. Our center is hk, which in this case is 8. Now, y plus 2 is the same as y minus negative 2. So k is negative 2. So my center is at 8, negative 2. And since 25 is larger, I know that my major axis is actually horizontal. So A is 5, because 5 squared is 25. And B is going to be 2, since 2 squared is 4.